To the other big story we're following for you tonight. Former Michigan State University President Luana K. Simon was back in an Eaton County courtroom today for a preliminary exam. She faces charges of lying to police in the Larry Nassar investigation. Aaron Jordan was in the court this morning and he's here for you now. Aaron, what happened today?
Well, Lauren, one Larry Nassar abuse survivor, Amanda Tomashow, was called to testify today about the Title IX complaint she filed against Nassar at MSU to help establish a timeline of what happened during the university's investigation. The court asked us not to show her on camera, but she did give us permission to use her name. Both sides also made opening statements, and it's clear both sides have a very different perspective in this case.
Why did the defendant lie? Because, as I've said, MSU's image and reputation and the defendant's legacy are inextricably linked. If MSU looks bad, the defendant looks bad.
The amount of lying that's been done is overwhelming, but not by Luana Simon, but by the prosecution and the detectives.
Sparks fly between the prosecution and defense during day one of the preliminary hearing for former Michigan State University President Luana K. Simon. She's charged with 2 felonies and 2 misdemeanors, accused of lying to police during the investigation into disgraced sports medicine doctor Larry Nassar. Michigan Assistant Attorney General Scott Teeter says Simon lied when she told police she did not know it was Nassar specifically who was under Title IX investigation and did not know the nature of the complaint. They say she was trying to protect herself and the university and claimed to have emails, calendar entries, and meeting agenda items to prove it.
She knew the statements were false and that the statements were material to their investigations of CSC First and misconduct of a public official.
But Simon's defense attorney, Mayor Morgenroth, accused detectives and investigators of being the ones who lied when it comes to claims that a folder with Nassar's name was taken to a 2014 meeting and shown to Simon.
What a lie. First of all, Paulette Russell, 5 times interviewed by them under oath, said, I don't recall ever having such a meeting. And if it was by phone. So how could it have been brought? And they knew that when they told the court this.
Survivor Amanda Tomashow also took the stand. She talked about Nassar's assault during a doctor's appointment back in 2014 and says when she filed a Title IX report, the university didn't help.
The way that MSU treated me, silenced me, killed me. And I'm not the same person.
Now, we also caught up with Simon's attorneys as well as a spokesman for the Attorney General's office outside the courtroom today. You'll hear from them, plus where this case goes from here later this evening on 6 News at 6. Lauren, back to you.